Hey everyone, the purpose of today's short video is to showcase how to do something that I'm going to be asking you to do a lot in our classes together. And that is mark this page as done. There's a note at the bottom of all of your assignments and pages, not in your discussion forums, but your assignments and pages that ask you to please mark the page as done. What you do to mark the page as done is you go to the lower right-hand corner and you mark the page as done. What that does is that it allows you to know when you've completed something. So if you mark it as done, I'm marking it as done here as a student, it will showcase as done. You'll see this green rectangle here. And when you go to our module, you'll be able to see what you've done and what you still need to work on. So for example, I just marked this orientation roadmap here as done, and you will see a green check mark. In order to go from one module to another, if you're required to mark a page as done or mark an assignment as complete, you have to click on that little rectangle that I showed you, and you will be able to see a green check mark. If you're missing some assignments, you'll see them right here. You may have turned them in, but you didn't mark them as done. This way, as a student in the class, you'll be able to see what you've done and if you've missed anything, and that will help you to keep track of your assignments in class. Thank you.